Welcome again. This time I will show you a basic model of smart home based on Arduino Mega and its Ethernet shield connected on a local network by RG45. Two motors for the door and the window and a lamp are controlled through this simple HTML interface and an Android application that I will show you after both are connected in the same local network. There are three buttons here for the lamp, the door and the window, which contain the state of each device. When you click on the button turn on lamp, for example, the lamp lights up. And here we note that the state has automatically changed to lit on the button. And when you click again on the same button, the state of the lamp returns to off and lamp of course goes out. The same for the door and the window. For example, we have the window in open state. When you click on the button window, it will close until reaching the limit sensor, which gives the information of a closed state for the window, and when we click again it comes back in open state. Similarly for the door, when you click on the door button, it switch for the state. Here it closes and becomes closed state, and when you click again it opens up to reach also the limit. When I click here it opens up to reach also the limit sensor and it comes back in open state. For Android application, I will show you the application. When launched, the login page here, the login page opens as home page. Access will be in admin mode or simple user. There is also the possibility to register, and when it is done, the access mode is automatically simple user. For admin access, we write the username and password. We begin by writing the username of the admin access. We have a unique access for admin registered in the database. We write the password and click on connect button. It immediately redirects us to another page. It's the control interface of the smart home, and we note in this mode the existence of the button below. This button for the management of users. The three buttons here for lamp, the window and the door works well. They work in the same way as the HTML page with the indication also of the status of each device. We return to the home page. Now we try to make a registration for a new user. To do it, we click here this link, the green one, this link below. It redirects us immediately to the registration page. For example, a user with username user and a password 40. For example, and we complete with information, appropriate information, and with facultative we want just to test the application, so test a new user. So we complete age, the email, the sex. We have a lot of. So when the form, the last one here, when it's filled, we click on the register button. When the registration is successful, it redirects us to a page that indicates here that everything is done successfully. We return to the home page here, and we will test our new user. We're gonna test our new user. We write so USER as username and 4 and here 40 as password. and we click on connect button, it immediately redirects us to the control interface of the smart home. But here we can see that we don't have access, we don't hold the button of the access to the user management page. The user management page, it's easy to use. There is a list of all the registered users that can be deleted or edited, information of each one. I don't explain it before, so it's easy to use. Don't here we test here the buttons, as can you see here, the 3 buttons works well, like the same way of the admin control interface and the HTML page. And thank you for watching.